Alright, today I'm replacing the Acura TL 2004, and this is for a newer TL2. I think it's up to 2013 TL. So basically, we got the old ball joint out. It's really bad. The actual socket here, the ball has actually come loose. So I noticed, I went on the hill and I noticed it's actually popped out from the socket. So this little ball here, strut, is actually just popped right out from the socket here. So for some reason it just give up. I noticed there's some issues with the suspension and I hear some noise wiggling, but eventually this thing is just give up. So I bought the brand new ball joint. This one is cost about, right here, already mounted on the bracket or the upper control arm here. So this one costs about 12 bucks. Come in pairs, so it's come in two. I guess left or right, it's the same. There isn't really a left or right, but they're all the same fitment. So yeah, 12 bucks to do the job. But what I gotta do is that I gotta loosen up all this stabilizer bar here, or suspension bar. Gotta take that out. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, and then I had to actually remove the bolts on the suspension to take out the strut, in order to get to the upper control bolt. There's 2 of them, left and right. So it's actually got right here blocked by the spring here, so I have to actually pull it out in order to take out the actual bolt. It's actually this long. Yeah, it's quite a lengthy bolt. There's 2 of them. Got both out, and that's pretty much it. So we just have to put this all back in, mount it, get it all screwed back on, and we should be able to get this back on the road here. The WD-40 does help. It helps loosen up all the bolt and all the screw. And then I forgot another thing here. I gotta remove the bottom bolt that's holding the strut. That's pretty much all it is. So we'll put this all together.